Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the May GlossyBox. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So today's video we are going to be unboxing the May GlossyBox. Let's get this open. So this is my PR box. I have not paid for this box. Ooh, this has been gifted to me to do an unboxing on my channel to show you what is inside. This is the pink box which we normally receive in there, unless it's some kind of special box that they're doing. We also have some advertisements and boring stuff in there, so let's just chuck that to one side. This costs $13.50 per month. The longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it becomes as well. I also have a link and a code and all that lovely stuff. I'll pop it down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click and use all of that and you'll get your first box for a tenner, so it's always nice to get a little bit of a saving. But yes, the box, let's open it up and have a sneaky peek. So this is inside. Let's rip her open. If you have not already as well, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over, enjoy my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And yeah, if you like this video, which I kind of hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. More advertisements. Let's just wing them over there. There is a quick sneaky peek. Not a very good one, but we're going to go through each and every product in here so we can have a proper nosy at what's going on inside. So let's get to it. So inside the box we get a little card. It has the name of the edit on here and it says the May edit is called Spring Awakening. It has a little QR code there, so we will scan that and see if it works. Hopefully it will. Let's check it out. It's worked, so yes, fabulous. We have an edit card to work from. So the first product in the box we have is this. This is by the brand Eclat Skin. Let's just make that a wee bit bigger. And it's a micellar water. This has a value of £29.90. This is a deluxe size, a gentle yet effective cleansing water to remove makeup, infused with rosemary extract to help soothe and prep the skin for the next step. Rosemary extract is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which could help reduce redness. Yeah, cool. I love this brand. Very nice, very pricey. Obviously, I mean, this is like basically £30 and I love a micellar water. So hopefully this is going to be a good one. Let's just have a little sniff. Oh. I've just popped some on my hand there. Oh, it smells absolutely bloody gorgeous. Smells scrumptious. Oh, beautiful. That's going straight on my makeup table so I can start using that straight away. That scent is bloody lush. The second product we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Philip Kingsley. This again is a deluxe size and it's a root boosting spray. It has a value of £12. Maximizer root boosting spray adds body and volume to fine, lightweight and limp hair types. Delivers residue-free texture to the roots, leaving the hair feeling naturally fuller and thicker. Yeah, that sounds amazing. Some days my hair can fend for itself and it does the job just fine. Other days my hair can look really limp and lame, so this will definitely come in useful when it comes to them kind of days. And great brand. I love Philip Kingsley, and for a deluxe size that's a really decent size. That's 60ml in there. Cool. Third item we have is this. So this is by the brand espa, and this is again a deluxe size and it's bergamot and jasmine body lotion. It has a value of a tenner. A beautifully light body lotion that moisturizes, nourishes and softens. Infused with a luxurious blend of pure essential oils for fresh, delicately fragranced skin. Ugh, that was a mouthful. Yeah, cool. I'm not going to open it. I want this kept nice and sealed because wow, espa, what a brand to get in the box. And again, for a deluxe, I can't talk today. For a deluxe size, 75ml is quite decent. So very happy with that. So next, it just says on here, which 2 additional products will you receive? So you'll get 2 products out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out of a possible 5 products. So what I'll do is I'll go through the products that I didn't get first, and then we'll talk about the products that I did get. So the first product I didn't get was by a brand makeup eraser, a full-size product, and it is a makeup eraser. Can you see that picture there? So yeah, that has a value of £17.26. So it's one of them ones that you just wet with water and it removes your makeup. That actually looks pretty decent, to be honest. The other product I didn't get was by CRA London, a deluxe size watermelon primer, which has a value of £8. The third product that I didn't get was by the brand Govu. I don't know if I've pronounced that right. It's a full-size product and it's a velvet lip cream where there's various different shades that you can get in there. That has a value of £22. So now we'll talk about the 2 products out of the 5 that I did get. So basically the 4th product in my box is this. So this is by the brand Magnatone. It's full-size products and these are wipe-out swipes. These have a value of £8. Eco-friendly microfiber cleansing pads that will remove even the toughest of makeup with just warm water. Swipes are super soft and perfect for use on sensitive skin, eyes and lips with no cleanser needed. To be honest, I would have preferred the that purple one that I showed you. I have so many of these boxes in my drawers that I haven't used because I don't know, I would have preferred if Magnatone was a product in the box, a brand in the box I should say, why can't we get something new from them? Because we always get these by Magnatone, unfortunately. I'm not particularly happy with them. So there's that. So the 5th product in my box that I've received is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Pawpaw, and this is a full-size product, and it's the original multi-purpose balm. Has a value of £4.25. Our multi-award-winning 100% natural multi-purpose balm is packed full of pawpaw, papaya, aloe vera and olive oil. It can be used in a variety of ways on lips, skin and hair to hydrate the lips, nourish dry cuticles and patches of skin, or shape the brows and tame flyaways. The nourishing formula leaves the hair, skin, lips soft and soothed. Suitable for all skin types, included sensitive skin. So I think I've made it quite clear. I've had Dr. Pawpaw products over the last, I don't know, like 6 months, and I haven't been happy with them, so I can't pretend that I'm happy with it now because I'm not. And I don't like to lie on my channel, I like to tell the truth. This is another product I'm not happy with in the box. I mean, that's a full size, it's absolutely tiny. It's one of the cheaper products in the box. I'm just sick of getting Dr. Pawpaw in my box. I don't know what else to say. So we do have a little freebie in the box. We have this. It's just a little sachet, a little tester, and it's by the brand L'Oreal, and it is their new Bright Reveal Dark Spot UV Fluid SPF 50+. It has niacinamide and LHA for daily use. I've actually seen this in the shops, and I was tempted to pick it up and try it out, but I'm not sure. But I mean, you're going to get 1 or 2 tries out of this little sachet, so you're not really going to get the benefit of it, but at least you can try it out and see what it's like on your skin to see if it's worthwhile getting it to test it out properly with a full-size product. But yeah, I mean, it'll certainly get used and we'll see what we think from 1 or 2 uses. Right guys, so this is the Spring Awakening Edit, the May GlossyBox. What do you think? Personally, I actually really like the box, most of the box. There's two products there that I am really not impressed with, and I know there's going to be other people out there that aren't impressed with those two products either. But yeah, let's just have a quick recap on what we've got in here. So we have the micellar water by Cant Skincare. That is super expensive and I can't wait to try it out and splash it all over my face. It smells absolutely gorgeous. We've got the Philip Kingsley Root Booster. So yeah, if your hair needs a little bit of help with some body and volume, that is sure to help. Great brand. We have espa body lotion. It's espa, I need to say anymore. We have the free little sachet thing there. Yeah, that's good. We like something for free, so that's fantastic. And then yeah, we have these two. We have Dr. Pawpaw multi-purpose thingy bop. I think I would have preferred the 20 odd pound velvet lip cream. Yeah, I would have really preferred that. And we have the Magnetone Wipeout Swipes. I would have preferred that big makeup eraser for sure, which was what, 17, 18 pounds, something like that. I can't remember now. So I feel a bit cheated that I've got those two products when there was much better products that I could have gotten in there. So yeah, I do pay for this box monthly as well. So when you get your box, I'll be getting my paid box. So I'm hoping when I get that I've got better products in there, and I've got those more expensive, better products. So fingers crossed. But I think just off those three products alone, with the brands that they are, it makes the box worth it, in my opinion. As I say, I'm going to ignore these two because, yeah, not for me. But them three, yes. And then I say a little free sachet of something there too. Overall, this box gets a huge thumbs up because of those three items. But what do you think? Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. What did you get in your box as well? Did you get the same two products as me, or did you get the better ones? Again, if you want to subscribe to this box, please do. The link and code are down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click, you'll get your first box for a tenner. And yeah, I think that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.